Namaskar. Welcome to weekly weather map discussion of India Meteorological Department. Today 31st July 2025. So if you see the major weather pattern during this last week starting from 24 to 30 July, so there was a depression over northwest Madhya Pradesh and neighborhood, and it was formed as a low pressure area over North Bay of Bengal, and same day it lay as a well marked low pressure area on 24th July, and then it moved slowly west northwestward and concentrated into a depression over northwest Bay of Bengal and adjoining areas of coastal west Bengal and Bangladesh in the morning hours of 25th July, and then it further moved west northwestward and crossed West Bengal and adjoining Bangladesh coast in the morning hours of 25th July, and then after it moved west northwestward and weakened into well marked low pressure area over northwest Madhya Pradesh and neighborhood on 27th July, but its associated cyclonic circulation persisted up to evening of 30th July over the same region of northwest Madhya Pradesh, and that's why that longer spell of very heavy to extremely heavy rainfall spell over Madhya Pradesh, East Rajasthan and Gujarat region occurred during 27 to 30 July. And apart from that, another very heavy to extremely heavy rainfall spell occurred over coastal Karnataka, Konkan, Goa and Madhya Maharashtra during 25th to 28th July due to an active offshore trough along Gujarat to Kerala coast. And monsoon trough was near its normal position during 24th and 28th to 30 July, and its western end was north of its normal position and eastern end was near its normal position on 25th, whereas western end was south of its normal position and eastern end was near its normal position on 26 and 27 July. Apart from these weather systems, two western disturbances also crossed northwest India, and second western disturbance caused extremely heavy rainfall over Mandi of Himachal Pradesh on 29th July. And if we see that weekly average maximum temperature, it was above normal by 1 to 3 degrees Celsius over parts of east and northeast India, below normal by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius over parts of south peninsular India during first half of the week, and it was below normal by 1 to 3 degrees Celsius over parts of north, west and northwest India during second half of the week. And if we see the weekly average minimum temperature, it was nearly normal over the entire country during the week. So if we see the weekly rainfall for past 1 week starting from 24 July to 30 July, all India rainfall was 119%. So means it is 19% above its long period average. And if we see that meteorological subdivisions over central India, that it got rainfall more than 50% due to that passage of that depression that formed in last week. And if we see that for homogeneous region, so rainfall departure is -2%, means it is a near normal rainfall over east and northeast India. Over northwest India, it is -5% during last week, but if we see central India, it is 52% due to that depression, and south peninsular India, it is again near normal 4%. And if we see seasonal rainfall starting from 1st June to 30 July, so east and northeast India is getting deficient rainfall, -22% of its long period average. Northwest India is getting 20% above long period average. Central India has got 25% above normal rainfall, and south peninsula got nearly normal rainfall. It is less than 1% of long period average. But if we see that country as a whole, 7% more rainfall than long period average happened till 30 July. Now if we see the forecast for next 2 weeks issued on 31st July, so if we see that rainfall forecast, that first week starting from 31st July to 7 July, that monsoon trough is supposed to be run its normal position, and that's why heavy to very heavy rainfall likely to continue over northeast and adjoining East India during next 7 days, with extremely heavy rainfall over Assam and Meghalaya at isolated places on 2nd August. Subdued rainfall activity are likely over central and south peninsular India during next 6 to 7 days. And if we see that rainfall forecast for second week starting from 7 to 14th August, So monsoon trough is supposed to be run north of its normal position during many days of the week. So rainfall activity over central India and south peninsular India is supposed to be below normal, and it is near normal to above normal activity is likely to happen over most parts of east and northeast India. So if you see that forecast of cyclogenesis during 2 weeks, so there is no any forecast of cyclogenesis, but there is a probability for the formation of an upper air cyclonic circulation or low pressure area over southwest Bay of Bengal of North Tamil Nadu, South Andhra coast towards the end of the first week or in the beginning of the second week. So that's all for next 2 week forecast. Please watch our daily video for more update. Thank you.